What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Glad to be back. It's been about 2 months since I posted anything. It's been busy. Thanksgiving, and then the wife got sick, and then I got sick, and then it was Christmas, and then the New Year's. But here we are, 2025. I'm hoping to upload more often, at least once, hopefully twice, but at least once a month for you guys. Super pumped. Today's video, I'm gonna be installing these Victory 4x4 door Molle panels. Should be fairly simple install. All you need is a drill gun with a Phillips bit on there, a 1/16 drill bit, super tiny, and this will just be used as a pilot. And then, yeah, they give you all the little hardware and stuff you need for it. Should be pretty simple. It'll be a fast one for you guys. I think these trucks don't utilize or have enough space inside of them for like everything you want to put in there. So kudos to Victory 4x4 for making stuff like this to give you a little more, just a little more areas to mount stuff. Like I plan on putting my med kit on the door there on these Molle panels. I'll show you guys that at the end. But yeah, my goal this year is to upload more and just be more frequent on YouTube and the Instagram game. You can catch all that below, as well as in my bio is links to all the products I previously put on, and there's some discount codes down there for you guys. Most of it's just Coyote ZR2, and you can save anywhere from 5 to 10% on most products. But yeah, I have I'm hoping to have more of a presence on YouTube this year. So yeah, let's crack straight into this. I'm glad to be back, and I'll show you guys what this is all about. So basically, you're just gonna take your Molle panel. It's gonna sit right here. You're gonna take your 1/16 drill bit, drilled 4 little pilot holes in the 4 spots on the Molle panel. And then you're gonna sit your spacers behind them, and then just screw in some screws, and then you're done. But I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do now. Just kind of line it up, then get my drill ready with the 1/16 spacer or 1/16 drill bit, and then make my little pilot holes. So let me swap out the drill and I'll show you that. So I got my 1/16 drill bit on there. Next up, I'm gonna take my Molle panel, kind of push it up here, get it kind of lined up with the lines on the door best I can. And I'm just gonna try to find the center of the hole without moving the panel. And this drills through very easy. It doesn't take much pressure at all to drill through this, so you can go very slow with it. And just like that, I have my 4 little pilot holes ready to go. Next up, I'm gonna get the screws ready and the spacers ready, and we'll drill this. We'll basically screw this in the spot and it's done. So Victory 4x4 supplies you with four of these, which are a little bit longer, and then focus 6 of these for whatever reason, maybe just because you, but they're a little bit shorter. So these are obviously going to go through the shorter spacers, and the long ones will go through the longer spacers. So short screw, long screw, long screw. So pretty simple. So what I'm going to do for the next step is basically take my Molle panel, insert my screw in through the front, put the spacer behind it, and then I'm going to stick my drill bit. Stick my drill bit in the screw and line it up with the hole. And basically, I'm just getting it started for now. That way I can go in and do this side, get it started, get the bottom 2 started, and then I can tighten everything down once it's all in there. So yeah. Now that that's up there, I'm gonna take my long spacer, get it behind here, take my long screw, get it in here, and then line it up with my pilot hole and screw it in there. And I'm just getting all these somewhat started, and then I'll tighten them down when they're all in. And then I'll follow through with the same bottom with short spacer, short screw, long spacer, longer screw. And then I'll tighten everything down. Now I'm just basically tightening them down. You know, gotta go super tight with these. Just nuts keep it up there. As you can see, it's nice and sturdy to the door. So yeah, passenger side officially done. I got it screwed in there all the way. I'm gonna hop over to the driver's side and do that off camera. And yeah, I'll show you guys the finished product. Lots of noises. Yeah, so I got the driver's side on. It was, you know, same steps as that. My only complaint would be with the Molle panel themselves is the slots are not big enough. They need to be just a hair bigger. My Medic bag, this is literally what the brand's called, My Medic, doesn't have regular mounted clips. It has like big buttons on the end of it. And so I had to take the Molle panel back off, attach this to the Molle panel, then attach this whole piece. But it's fine, it works out good, you know. I actually got this for Christmas. My Medic is not sponsored as well, but if they see this video, I would love to collab with you guys, make some more content for you guys, show off some stuff. My wife is actually a certified EC, so help us both out. But besides the point, I like this. If anyone's wondering, I'll leave a link to this below, non-affiliated. It does hit my leg a little bit in here, but it's just nice and soft. You know, it's basically just a cushion. Either you're hitting this or you're rubbing against the door if you're tall like me. So that works out pretty good. But yeah, let's bounce to the other side. I'll show you guys what my plans are over there. So the original driver's side, it's pretty sturdy. I mean, you can tug on this stuff pretty good. It's not gonna come out. Yeah, Victory gives you all the supplies you need. If Victory 4x4 ever sees these videos, I'd love to collaborate with you guys as well. This is my second product I'm rocking from you guys. Yeah, it'd be pretty cool. But anyway, hope this video has helped you guys. I only seen one video. It's from Victory, so I'm just trying to spread the word. These are pretty cool. Like, seeing the medic bag over there fits on perfect. This side will probably just be got a radio from a company. Don't remember the name. I still gotta do a review this year for that. That will probably go here as like a hand it out to the buddies wherever you do some four wheeling. My goal this year is to just put out more videos for you guys. I still have to install the Peaksuspension lift kit. I have a new case company coming out. They're sending me a case for my roof rack. I'll show you guys that soon. I have a dial, dynamic light bar I still got to install. I got the Quincy camp lights I still got to install on the roof rack. Hoping CBI comes out with their sliders pretty soon here. I'll be showing you guys how to install those, as well as some front and rear bumpers for this truck. This is what I'm mainly waiting for, to really take it off-road and start getting serious content like that. But yeah, I also have a closet full of boxes of installs I had to do for this truck still, so lots of content to be made this year. I'm trying to get a head start on it. But yeah, appreciate all you guys who have subbed. I'm at like 750 in like 8 months. I never thought this would, happen this fast, and how much it's benefited me. I appreciate all you guys who have subbed, anyone else who watches the videos. If you haven't subbed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button so I can keep putting out content like this for you guys, because I enjoy it, and yeah, it's a cool experience for me. So this year I'm hoping to just tenfold and put out more content and get better at it, and I am going to get some better lighting. I'm going to get a key light pretty soon for all this stuff. But yeah, that's it for this video. The next video will probably be doing lights on the roof rack. That's my next step. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Helps me out a ton. This year, I am hoping to put out more content for you guys to enjoy, and more how-to guides. And also, I might end up putting out some dirt bike content of me and my buddy riding up there. And I'm hoping to get some content, some snow wheeling. We'll see if that happens or not. Depends if I can get a group together in the Pacific Northwest to want to go do that. And yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this guys helped you, and make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.